Hello everyone, my name is Ashraful Islam Ashik, and today I'll be presenting the crash course on the entire application deployment, where we have two separate parts. For first one will be deploying a bare metal, and another one will be deploying a VPC and RDS. So first of all, today's our agendas are, we will initialize two server instances, one for the backend and the frontend, where we will be deploying our frontend and backend in a same instance. And in another instance, we will be deploying our database. Then we will install our MySQL on the database server, and in the database server, we will create a database with the required tables and other info that is specified in the tutorial application in the requirements. Then we will create a new user type for the database in the database server, so that only that user can access the table and the database. Then we will run the backend application and connect to the database from it using the user privilege that are defined in the database server. Then we will run the front end in the same server in the backend is running, where the backend is running. Then we will run the whole application to see if it actually run the whole thing together, like the database is connected to the backend and the backend is connected to the front end. So this is the agenda for today's topic.